Hello everyone, this is Rutrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing good. So my today's video is yet another haul, and yes, this is another haul from Amazon, and I have picked up so many things, not so many things, it's like I guess 10 to 12 things from fashion and beauty category, which is totally for upcoming winter and wedding season. So without any further delay, let's get started. So I will start with beauty category, and there are so many things to show you guys. So firstly, I will show you this combo of lactocanamine daily cleansing wipes. It comes with these 3 units, and I think this is a perfect choice to pick in winters because we all used to feel really bad to apply a lot of water in this season. So this is the perfect time to pick this up because you can remove all your makeup and everything, and after that you can do your cleansing, toning, and you are doing any skin treatment, then it will go with that. So I think this is a perfect time to get this hand, so I have picked up this one. So moving towards the next one, this is Minimalist pH 3% biotic toner. I think this is their new launch, and this is the bottle how it looks like. I have been looking forward to use a toner for a really long time, so I have picked up this one. So let's see how it works on my skin, and I will definitely come back to you all. So the next one is a face serum, and this is from the Dermaco. I haven't used any face serum from this brand, so I'm really looking forward to try this one. So I have picked up their 10% vitamin C and face serum, and it also said that this is sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, and mineral oil free. This is the inner packaging how it looks like, and this is a 10 ml bottle, and it also says that it has 5% niacinamide, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and you can use it day and night time. So I'm really looking forward to use this one. So my next pick is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel. I have already used this one, so I really want to take another one. This is a 15-gram package, and this is how it looks like. And I really want to show you the texture because this is so nice in texture. You can see, and it smells so good. It has a really mild smell which I really love. So this is another one, and even you can use this in summers as well because this is really light onto the skin, but it makes your skin hydrated and moistured for a really long time. So my next pick is another one from Minimalist, and this is their rose hip oil. I think this is another new launch from this brand. They are doing a lot of new launches nowadays, and this is the bottle how it looks like. I am really looking forward to pick rosehip oil which is cold pressed and all, so for my skin, because after doing any chemical exfoliation, your skin what really needs is a proper moisture and hydration, and you have to lock everything out, and rosehip oil is something which really makes everything to work together, and it protects your skin and it helps everything out properly. So I have picked up this one. So this is another one from Minimalist. Next pick is from Biotic, and this is their Bio Morning Nectar sunscreen. And my sunscreen is almost it's over, so I have to pick another one because it's winter, and if you are attending any wedding, or if you are a bride to be, then you have to make your skin like everything ready and everything out. So sunscreen is something which you have to apply all the time on your skin. So I have picked up this one, and this is their Bio Morning Nectar, and this is 30 plus SPF. I have heard a lot of good thing about this sunscreen, but I haven't yet tried that, so I have thought to give it a shot. So my next pick is another moisturizing lotion. This is from Aveeno, and this is how it looks like. This is a 71 ml product, and I haven't yet used anything from Aveeno, so I thought I should go ahead and pick anything out. I think this works nicely on my skin because it says that it moisturizes for 24 hours. So I really want to use this one. My next pick is a face wash, and this is the Simple face wash, and it says it 100% soap free, and it can be used in all kind of skin. When you are doing any chemical exfoliation, you need to apply a really mild face wash onto your face. So that's the reason I have chosen this one. Whenever I am doing a chemical exfoliation, I need to apply a mild face wash, and this is the one which will work so nicely on skin. So my next one is also from Neutrogena, and this is their Ultra Sheer sunscreen, which comes with 50 plus SPF, and this is really a good range to put on your skin. I am really looking forward to give it a shot, so I have picked up this one. So with this, my beauty section is complete. I have only 3 products to show you all guys for fashion category, and let's see what I have. So I will start with a nice jacket, and this is the jacket how it looks like. It is so warm, you guys. This is the quality is so good, and I'm really glad to have this because whenever you are going outside in winters, like I really want to say that this is not at all for Kolkata winters. Delhi people might enjoy this one so much, but if you are traveling somewhere from Kolkata, so you have to keep this in your bag. So this is so cozy, gives so warmth, and I absolutely love this one. So my next pick is a beautiful sari, and this is a beautiful ruffle sari which comes with this blouse piece. So I would say this is not of a very good quality, but at the price point this is so gorgeous and it looks so nice. It's easy to wear and it gives a very nice and slick looks, which I absolutely love. So if you're attending any event or any wedding ceremony, you can definitely use this one. So I have picked up this one just to attend an event. So my next and last pick is another sari, and this is the sari how it looks like. I absolutely love this sari. You can see black is my all-time favorite. So I have when I have saw this combination, I totally died to have this one. So this is a beautiful sari, and if I come to the quality, it is so nice in texture. It doesn't give that heavy bulky look onto the sari, but at the same time it is so gorgeous itself. So I have picked up this one. Amazon is having their mega fashion day sale going on from 26th of November to 28th of November. So go ahead and shop your hearts out there because there are some amazing offers going on. So with this, I am ending this haul, and all the purchase links are listed below in the description box. If you guys want to check out anything or you want to give it a try anything, please go ahead and check out that. I would love to hear you all from. If you are using anything or if you had already tried any of the products which I have shown to you, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear you from. So this is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay beautiful. Bye.